A lot of companies make the mistake of getting into custom development for their customers, right? So their first couple of customers will do something specific for this guy and something specific different for that guy. The problem with that is it kind of makes you lazy, right? You start using your development team like an implementation services team, and you can never build the solid core of product. So we wanted to make a different choice when we started Guidewire. We wanted to make architectural choices that would lead us down a better path. You can separate what's really core, the logic that you own, that you test, that you control very carefully, from the things that you're doing that are specific for the customers, that are in the realm of configuration. It's actually a big benefit because if one person finds a bug on one of their sites, we fix it once and then everybody gets the benefit of that bug fix. So over time, we get a much more stable, much more robust product, flexible enough that we could tailor it to meet different people's needs, but it's constantly being improved rather than something that's being pulled in a different direction by each of the different customers. You can deliver a much better product that way.
We've been able to solve problems for people with very diverse insurance needs. A customer in New Zealand that handles earthquakes, a customer in the United States that insures thoroughbred horses, and lots of people who do more common things like personal auto policies and workers' comp. All of those projects have been successes because the systems provide a flexibility to make it fit for very different kinds of insurance products.
People come to us often with a particular set of problems that they need solving. They want to reorganize their business a certain way, or they want to change the way that they handle, settle claims, or the way that they sell policies, right? And they come with a particular business driver typically. And I think one of the things that you really have to understand, particularly if you're on the buying side and you're trying to make this decision, is you really want to split off part of your attention so that you're not just thinking, okay, what is it that I need to get done this year or, the next couple of years? And really think like, what's the rate of change in my industry? How is regulation changing? What kind of businesses could we be in the future? And you want to think about whether the product you're buying is going to have the flexibility to support those kinds of changes. They're coming down the road.